So the NQ, I think this move up, again, it counts as a diagonal move up, all in threes, and that we've got an A down, we're getting the B up this morning, and we're going to get the C down to the 67.90 to 66.97 area after that completes, before we then get a C wave up, which I'm hoping is an A wave of the larger wave 3, but again, we won't know and if it is that until we get another large pullback and then take out the recent highs. The level here is the critical level at 73.71 on the NQ, and it's marked on the Nasdaq NDX cash charts for you on the site. Below there, we can still take out the low seen at the end of October in the 5th wave down in a diagonal, I'm afraid. So we need to watch that as this move down on Friday. If that's 5 waves and we get a B wave, it could also be a 2, and we suddenly start to fall away much more steeply. So those are the things I'm going to be looking out for. In terms of the best trade setup at the moment in the short term, it's to wait for this B wave to complete in the indices and short it for the C down is what I'm looking to do at the moment. And again, the Dow Jones Industrial, exactly the same thing. The Dow came up somewhat higher. I can, with the Dow, because of the structure of this, just about call it an impulse, but it kind of doesn't matter. It's topped, and I think it's an A wave. We've got A down, looking for B back, and then the C down. 24,684 is the level I'm looking for the YM to hold, and then propellers back up in the C wave of a larger A wave in the diagonal.